Here's a 1973 Cadillac Eldorado Convertible that just came to us at a long-term storage. So this particular car would have originally been a Diplomat blue poly car, number 29 on the paint code. Interior was antique dark leather blue, which this car has been repainted, and it does appear that an interior has been put in it. This car had a restoration started on it, and like I said, it kind of has been in long-term storage going through that restoration. They've done paint, they've done interior. The thing that they have not finished was engine work. The engine does turn over, it is free. We have not had this car, driving up and down the road, anything like that. We did check the engine is free, and being sold as is, so what you see is kind of what you get. Feel free to call. If you have any questions on it, we'll explain what we know about the car, what we can tell you. Phone number to give us a call, 507-386-1726, or check out the still pictures down below this video in the description. There's a link. Click on that. It'll take you to uniqueclassiccars.com, where you can check out the still pictures, kind of see what this car is all about. Underneath the hood, all the components are still there. There's a 500 V8 underneath there, power steering, power brakes, AC car. So again, kind of a rolling project, and we know the engine is free on. Again, paint, is it perfect? No, it's probably repainted a little while back, but obviously hasn't had a bunch of miles put on it. It's not full of a bunch of dings, scrapes, anything like that. Yes, you'll find imperfections, but is it overall kind of a nice driver quality paint? Yes. As far as the interior, get a look at it here. Like I said, kind of a antique dark blue leather is what this would have came with originally, and this appears to be very similar to what stock would have been. Dash, pretty nice shape. A little area. You can see some marks. Now the things I can tell you that I have had work on this car, kind of messing around with it before doing the video. The power top, it says a newer white power top on it, which this car would have came with a white power top. That does go up via power. I did not have the radio working. I did have the seat moving back and forth, tilt, and then 3 of the windows. The only window that I could hear the motor run, the glass wouldn't come up on, was the passenger rear. The other 3 windows went up on the power, and then also power worked and everything was good with the wipers. So there's quite a few things that work in the car also as far as the power options go. Once again, feel free to call us, 507-386-1726. Be happy to answer any questions you may have on this car, or check out the still pictures down below this video. There's a link. Click on that link. That'll take you to uniqueclassiccars.com, and you can check out the still pictures. Let me go up here. I did notice a little spot I want to show you up here, where the trim piece was coming off, double-sided tape kind of giving away a little bit, and then there was one little dinger right down there. I wanted to show you that. Otherwise, again, check out the interior here from the driver's side. And you can check out those still pictures and see what the top's like. But like I said, it is a newer top. It wasn't originally a white top car. It's kind of all, this car is pretty much the way it would have came as far as color-wise and options and everything from Cadillac. I'm going to go ahead and pause this video a second. We'll pop that hood and at least let you see the engine bay and everything underneath there too. All right. Actually, see, it's pretty nice and tidy underneath here. 500 cubic inch V8 underneath the hood. Again, power steering, power brakes, AC. We have had the motor turn over. We just not have had this car running or driving. Just to let you know, 1973 Cadillac Eldorado Convertible. A little bit of a project. A little TLC, get her back on the road. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Or like I said, down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on that. That'll take you to uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out the still pictures. Now, we do consider trades. Financing may be available. Check with us on this particular vehicle, and we can assist you with getting this transported to where you're located at. Look forward to hearing from you.